Hello student, today we will learn how to plot a diode characteristic using Excel. First of all, we will enter the data which we have taken during the experiment. The first column of Excel sheet will be the voltage across diode. Voltage across diode, that is VD, and that will be in millivolts. Okay, millivolts. Okay, and second column will be current through the diode, THROUGH, through the diode, that is ID, and it will be in milliamperes. Okay, now we have to start plotting, entering data. First of all, we will enter the forward bias data starting from the highest voltage, that is 500.81 millivolts, and corresponding current is 0.329 milliamperes. Okay, next 467.83 millivolts, and corresponding current is 0.166 milliamperes. 450.86 millivolts, and corresponding current is 0.115 milliamperes. 441.79 millivolts, corresponding current is 0.094 milliamperes. 431.66 millivolts, and corresponding current is 0.074 milliamperes. 422.72. As you see that we started from highest positive voltage and enter data as that voltage decreases. 422.060। आप देख रहे हैं कि मैं यहाँ जो स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ डेटा हाईएस्ट पॉजिटिव वोल्टेज से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ और धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे वोल्टेज की रीडिंग कम होती जा रही है उसी तरह से उस सीक्वेंस में हम डेटा एंटर कर रहे हैं। 417.54 current is 0.053 milliamperes. 413.27 current is 0.048 milliamperes. 408.52 corresponding current is 0.043. 403.31 corresponding current is 0.038. Again 397.41 corresponding current is 0.033. 393.01 the corresponding current is 0.029 milliamperes. All voltages are in millivolts and all currents are in milliamperes. 385.51 corresponding current is 0.024. 376.50 corresponding current is 0.018. 365.23 the corresponding current is 0.013. 350.18 the corresponding current is 0.008. 327.45 corresponding current is 0.004. 301.76 the corresponding current is 0.002. For 249.09 voltage millivolts, the corresponding current is 0.002. For 108.21, corresponding current is 0.002. Mm, 11.2 millivolts, the corresponding current is 0.002. For 0 volt, the current is 0 amperes. These readings are forward bias. And now we will enter data for reverse bias. For reverse bias, both currents and voltages are in negative. Minus 0.086. The current is minus 0.003. For minus 1000.78 millivolts, the current is minus 0.002. For minus 2000.6 millivolts, the current is minus 0.001. For minus 2995.9 millivolts, the current is 0.001 milliamperes. Minus 4987 millivolts, the current is 0.001. And for volt, minus 5.78.1 millivolts, the current is minus 0.001 milliamperes. Now we have entered the data for reverse bias. This is data for reverse bias. Reverse bias. Now what we have to do to plot the graph using this data. First we have to select all the data as I am doing here. I have selected all the data. Now we have to go into insert. In insert we have to go to charts and in charts we have to go to scatter, and in scatter we have to select scatter with smooth lines and markers. Now this is the graph. Automatically it generates graph. Now you can change the layout of this graph. Select the graph and select first one, layout one. The layout of the graph will change. You can change the title of this graph. Okay, this is PN Junction Diode Characteristic. PN Junction Diode Characteristic. You can change the axis, title of the axis. This is voltage. In millivolts. In y-axis, this is current. In milliamperes. Move it to here so that you can visualize. Now you can select axis and enter the grid lines, major grid lines, then you can enter minor grid lines. And similarly in y-axis you can select y-axis and enter minor grid lines. Now the graph is complete. You can enlarge this graph as you desire. As per your desire, you can enlarge this graph. By selecting here, you can increase the size of the graph. Now we have to find out cut-in voltage and static and dynamic resistance in forward bias condition. What we have to do, we will select this forward bias data and copy it in second sheet. Okay, now we have copied it. Now again select the whole data and go to insert and in insert select charts. In charts you select scatter. In scatter you select scatter with smooth lines and markers. The graph will be generated. Now what we have to do? Now you can change the layout of graph. Select the graph and go to chart layout. Select layout 1. Now you can change the title of this graph. PN Junction Diode forward characteristic. Forward characteristic. Forward characteristic. You can name the title, axis title. This is voltage in millivolts. This is current in milliamperes. Now you can select axis and add minor grid lines, major grid lines and minor grid lines. Similarly, you can select y-axis and add minor grid lines. Now the graph is complete here. Now using this graph, you can calculate cut-in voltage and find out cut-in voltage, and you can calculate static and dynamic resistance using it.